Hello everyone! In this video you will learn about changes and new features we've released when importing stock levels and products. So, what's new? No strict requirements for data format or order in the imported file, importing products that are not yet in the company's catalog, convenient mapping of data from import files to fields in Orderry, ability to specify default values for required product fields, and automatic saving of mapping settings for each supplier. Mapping data from the imported file. Previously, to import goods into inventory, you had to download an import template and fill it out, following a strict format and column order. Now, you don't need to do this. You can simply import the file from your supplier and map the data into fields in our system. To do this, click on plus New Import during the posting process, then upload the file. This is what the file looks like. As you can see, the columns can have different names and can be arranged in a different order, but now this is not an issue. The second important point is that you can add new products, meaning those that you never worked with in the system before. Previously, you couldn't add a product to inventory postings without first creating its profile. Now, there are no such restrictions. Products will simply be created as a result of the import. In the import window, you will see three columns: product fields in our system on the left, default values in the middle, and data from the imported file on the right. This makes the data mapping process simple and understandable. The rules regarding mandatory fields and filling in data for serial or non-serial products remain the same as earlier. Also, there still is the limitation of 250 rows in one posting. Managing prices in the new import for inventory. During the data mapping process, prices are shown in a separate section. Here you can map prices from the imported file to product prices configured on the Settings, Prices and Discounts page in our system. For prices in the middle column, there are two options: Leave unchanged. This allows you to keep the exact price from the imported file, which is useful when your supplier provides a recommended price, or Recalculate. This option automatically recalculates price using the formula purchase price multiplied by the markup, which you have set up on the Settings, Prices and Discounts page. Automatic saving of mapping settings for each supplier. We believe this is one of the most convenient features of the new import. Usually, each supplier uses a different data format, but now the system will remember how you mapped data for each supplier. After the first import, the mapping settings will automatically be applied to future imports from this supplier. Of course, you can make changes if needed, but this will significantly speed up the inventory process. Try the new imports to see how it simplifies your inventory management. To make it even easier, use the step-by-step instructions in our Help Center. As we mentioned, this is just the first result of our work on improving data import in the system. The next step will be to extend these improvements to all data imports. Try this feature and share your feedback with us. Is it helpful? Does it cover all your needs? And what features should we add next? If you have any questions or suggestions, write in the comments or contact us via chat. Wishing you a fantastic and productive day.